Okay, we have tonight Yashwant Deshmukh, editor-in-chief of See Voter and political analyst. Reminder to our viewers that in a few days we should start putting out some of the exit polls that he's been doing in Assam and other states. That's going to happen later this week. Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP is on his side, and both these gentlemen say that the move is perfectly constitutional. And those who say on the other side that it is a murder of democracy includes the very aggressive left leader Atul Anjan, Kumar Ketkar, a senior journalist with me in Mumbai, who says the murder of democracy. That's your position, I hope.
Well, I have not used the word murder.
Well,
I have not used the word murder.
Okay.
I have called it betrayal of democracy.
Betrayal of democracy.
Betrayal of their own promise of running democracy.
Right.
He is running prime ministerial government into a presidential system.
Oh my.
That's what I'm saying. And
Okay.
he wants to actually have presidents rule in all the states. Ideally speaking for him.
You're talking, he means?
He meaning Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi,
Prime Minister, wants to have a presidential rule in all the states, given chance, given opportunity.
And that opens up our debate. Along with him as Ajay Alok, General Secretary of the JDU. Now, why did you do this? सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? अगर आप डेट्स देखें, March 18th, March 19th, March 24th, March 25th, March 26th, March 27th, the question is this. If the governor of Uttarakhand has taken a decision to ask Harish Rawat to prove his majority by the 28th, which is today, Monday, Harish Rawat would have to prove his majority. Why have you subverted that decision? Prove karne dijiye. As per the Bomai judgment, as per every judgment, you have to prove your numbers on the floor of the House. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, is it a coincidence that all this happened one day before the assembly would have proven the numbers? Sudhanshu Trivedi
was not a Congress person.
Pardon me?
And Bomai was not a Congress person.
So what's your, no, one second. You seem to be very charged up on the issue. What's your question to Sudhanshu Trivedi? Aap puchiye unko.
My simple question to Sudhanshu Trivedi is, why are you doing this immediately after Arunachal Pradesh?
Betrayal of democracy.
So what?
I would just like to ask him, it is a established constitutional practice that if a finance bill is lost, then the government has lost the authority. And you look at it. Here the Uttarakhand MLAs have given a notice prior in advance to the speaker and to the governor both that there should be a vote division on finance bill. But the speaker didn't accept.
Okay, counter. Ajay Alok counter कर रहे हैं.
That it is cleared by
Ajay Alok counter कर रहे हैं. Debate खुला है.
And the moment the MLA
First of all,
the debate is open.
First of all,
one second.
Nine of the ruling party.
One second.
By the voice vote.
1 second.
And speaker is the supreme authority within the house.
Outside the premises of assembly is saying
On jumpship politics.
First of all, speaker is
On jumpship politics. Ajay Alok. Ajay Alok.
Pass with a voice vote, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
अरे भाई सुन तो लीजिए भाई, अभी इतना ही नहीं. Then it is clearly visible.
नहीं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, एक दूसरे की बात सुनिए. एक दूसरे की बात सुनिए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी. एक दूसरे की बात सुनिए. एक दूसरे की बात सुनिए. आप बात सुनिए. ये ना अरुणाचल असेंबली है, ना उत्तराखंड असेंबली है. ये न्यूज आवर शो है.
Now let me complete the sentence. Then Mr. Ajay Alok can answer.
बाप रे, आप आज बहुत आक्रामक मूड में आए.
The finance bill has been fallen flat on the floor of the house. On the political issue, neither of the MLAs on the ruling party openly politically coming in favor of BJP. Third, on the moral issue, the sting operation was there in which the CM is involved. So on all the constitutional, political and moral issues, the Congress was totally fallen flat.
नहीं आप करिए.
Trying to put an allegation on us.
इसलिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, so what?
अब बताइए आप. तीनों पे उत्तर दीजिए.
We were together with you, Sudhanshu ji. Sudhanshu ji, we were together with you for 17 long years. 6 years in the power. And we always realized that misuse of 356 is the biggest grave thing that Congress has been doing. And Vajpayee ji, Advani ji, everybody used to agree. But today what? You are following the same footprints. Go ahead and do it. सैया भाई कोतवाल अब डर काहे का लगाते जाइए, एक से एक, ऊपर से नीचे. कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत क्या, ऑपोजिशन मुक्त भारत बनाइए आप. मांझी जी के साथ आपने यही करने की कोशिश की बिहार में, क्या हश्र हुआ? आज उत्तराखंड में आपने कांग्रेस को संजीवनी दिया है करके, जाते क्यों नहीं है पोल में? सस्पेंडेड एनिमेशन में क्यों रखा है? विधानसभा भंग कीजिए, चलिए चुनाव में. लेट्स गो टू द पोल्स, लेट्स गो एंड फेस पीपल. इफ यू हैव डन राइट, यू विल गेट द मैंडेट.
Okay, 1 second.
And you will lose heavily. And you are talking of constitution. You are in absolute majority. Remove Article 10 of the Constitution. You are in absolute majority. There has been no meaning of Article 10. Absolutely no meaning.
opening the debate, Sudhanshu Trivedi, the question is simple. I think the question which will need to be answered. Sudhanshu Trivedi, 1 minute. Listen, Sudhanshu Trivedi, देखिए आप सब स्पीच मोड में आ गए. अतुल अंजान, यशवंत देशमुख ने अब तक बोला नहीं है, अपना खाता नहीं खोला है, बैटिंग नहीं की है अभी तक. हाँ, वो भी अच्छे बैट्समैन है, उनको प्लीज आने दीजिए इस खेल में. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दिस, व्हाट वाज द टेयरिंग हरी to impose president's rule when the governor himself has called for a floor test? A. B. Yashwant Deshmukh, is it not true, you are backing the BJP on this, is it not true that the decision to impose president's rule was a preemptive strike, given that the speaker's decision to disqualify the 9 MLAs would have ensured that the Rawat government would pass the floor test? So you want to avoid the floor test, and that's why you have done this a day before. Is this a good precedent? Yashwant.
That's right, Arnab. And Arnab, yes, Arnab, I totally agree with you on what they have done and why they have done so. BJP could be legally correct in doing so. BJP could be technically correct doing so. But is the BJP morally correct in doing so? I am afraid not. Is it in the true spirit of the democracy? I am afraid not. But yes, Sudhanshu Trivedi and the BJP can very well say that it is not being done because we want to do it. It is something which is Congress's failure. And if it is Congress's failure, then probably the right way of doing it to let those Congress MLA be disqualified under the Anti-Defection Law Act and let them go to the poll. BJP can absorb them, declare them as their candidate and face the people of Uttarakhand for a fresh mandate. What creates concern even more, Arnab, is that Uttarakhand is only 1 year, not even 1 year I would say, we are in March. Actually, it's only about 11 months away from the scheduled elections in Uttarakhand. So if it was only a question of year, what was the need for doing so? BJP can say that it is something which Congress has failed to take their house, keep their flock united in their way.
Yeah.
But then BJP is clearly seen as being part and parcel of this entire game. And they cannot just do away. I mean, yes, I understand that it's Congress failure to keep their flock intact. And I also understand the fact that Congress is in no position to give a moral gyan on this issue of President Rawat, because we know the history of how many times. I still vividly remember the way a gentleman called N.T. Ramarao was forced to rush up to New Delhi and parade 2/3 MLAs of his assembly. 2/3, no less than 2/3, and still he was dismissed by Indira Gandhi government by saying that he doesn't enjoy the majority on the floor. But that is all whataboutery, I would say, in current context. What Congress has done in the past, that is something which the country has seen, and this is not without a reason that Congress is 44 right now on the floor
you see now, just one. Let Atul Anjan also come in.
But do they want to follow what Congress did?
No, they should not.
People voted Modi and his party just because they were fed up with the Congress.
Okay, now the question is, this is what we call, unfortunately in India, Atul Anjan और सुधांशु त्रिवेदी अभी डिबेट करेंगे. पहले अतुल अंजान आप अपनी बात रखिए मगर थोड़े समय के अंदर, और उसके बाद सुधांशु त्रिवेदी रेस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. इसको कहा जाता है आयराम गैराम कल्चर. Now the BJP was against the Airam Gairam culture. Why the question is, why does the BJP have to start doing this Airam Gairam culture? That's the question Atul Anjan is asking to Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi, पहले सुन लीजिए. Atul Anjan, करीब 1-1.5 minute के अंदर, please go ahead, ask your question.
Mr. Arnab, my concern is something different. You see, we are talking about nationalism, we are talking about the Hedley, we are talking about the challenges before the country, we are talking extremism and what not we are talking. And what we are saying, what we are watching, all the states, bordering state governments are destabilized. First, it was the Arunachal, an elected government, which is already by the China is questioned. The entire state has been questioned by the China, and there is a government, and you have destabilized it, and you have shown the world that you do not care for democracy. You, even your own elected government, for the sake of power for your own party, you have destabilized. The very second one, for 3 months, there was no government in a Jammu Kashmir, which is a highly volatile state throughout the world. Every time in Security Council, everywhere it is discussed. Today, till now, people do not know what transpired between PDP and BJP and the party which was anti-national, made by this claim by Pandit Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Mr. L.K. Advani at least 1,000 times on the floor of the House, and they say they are the anti-national. Now with them you are having a government. And very third, another Uttarakhand, where our borders are with the China and Nepal.
Why do you get China into this, sir? Why do you get China into this?
Circulated paper, just a minute. A larger circulated paper, what it has said. Today it has said, on the eve of the trust vote, Uttarakhand placed under the president rule. This is the question the millions of people are asking, why this has been done by the government, by the Narendra Modi government, why the president's action was taken. This is the question. This has to be answered.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, answer the question. The Supreme Court has clearly stated that Article 356 is not a tool to be used for political gain. So please keep that in mind. Second point, Sudhanshu Trivedi, आप आज अतुल अंजान जी को directly जवाब दीजिए. Supreme Court in the Bomai case has laid down that the violation of one or two constitutional provisions do not necessarily constitute a comprehensive breakdown of constitutional machinery. ये बोमाई केस में सरकारिया कमीशन तीसरा पॉइंट है. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, now the ball is going to be in your court. आप एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. सरकारिया कमीशन जिसको आपने बैक किया था has laid emphasis on a floor test before declaring president's rule. आप प्लीज देख लीजिए आप क्यों कर रहे हैं. आपकी अपनी पॉलिसियों को आप यू टर्न ले रहे हैं, अपने पोजिशन को आप रिवर्स कर रहे हैं, और आज you are now open to this kind of questioning which the left parties are doing of you, of encouraging the ayaram gayaram culture. Time to respond. Don't avoid the debate. आप डिबेट से आज चले मत जाइए, इसमें डिबेट कीजिए, एक्सप्लेन कीजिए लोगों को. गो अहेड सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, गो अहेड.
अर्नव, आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही अबाउट द सरकारिया कमीशन एंड अबाउट द एसआर बोमई केस. द स्प्लिट ऑफ बोथ द थिंग्स. SR Bomai case has clearly says that there can only be the trial of strength on the floor of the House. You remember in the Arunachal case? What was there? They were consistently running away from this floor test after 6 months. And when the floor test happened, what happened? The Congress government got defeated.
Atul Anjan has
was in the true spirit of Bomai case. Now in the Uttarakhand, the same thing. We were asking about the lobby division, and you are not ready to face the proper vote division on the floor of the House.
A private
and you are working in contrast to the spirit of SR Bomai case.
A private house has been declared assembly by BJP.
Atul Anjan Sahab, he has raised a very appropriate question. That the sensitive states like Arunachal or Uttarakhand or Jammu Kashmir, which are the bordering states, Arnav, you have asked what was the hurry and what was the necessity. This is the necessity that these sensitive and border states cannot be remain lurching in uncertainty because of the political inter-conflict of their Congress party or whatever it is. So that's why there was a need that a proper legal judicial action should be taken.
You want to frame it that?
One more thing. देखिए मैं एक और बात कहना चाहता हूँ. सुनिए, अतुल अंजान साहब बहुत ही वरिष्ठ नेता हैं. जो कुछ हो रहा है ना, let me complete the sentence. सुनिए, अतुल अंजान साहब सुन लीजिए. जो कुछ हो रहा है ना, इसमें बीजेपी का दोष नहीं है. This is the typical characteristic of the Congress party. Because it is only and only power which joins the Congress party. Whenever Congress loses power, they face these type of defection. Atul Anjan ji, yaad kariye. In 1967, they lost power partially. And there was a consistent fall of government from Punjab to Bengal. And the party got divided. In 1977, they lost the government. In 1979, the Indira Congress was formed. Devraj Arsh Congress was formed. In 1990s, they lost the power with the help of, on the hands of BJP. The Nationalist Congress was formed. And the Tiwari Congress was formed. Now, for the fourth time, they have lost the power. So, the eternal going back of the Congress party, that is power is not there. So this is happening not only for the
So,
last 2 months.
Bharatiya Janata
So,
Party has
it is the argument put.
consistently
Power
since 67,
So the argument put.
90s and 2014.
The argument
Look at
put.
this
The
perspective.
argument put. One second. One second. One second. One second. Just a minute, Sudhanshu Trivedi ji. जरा धीमी गति से रुक जाइए, रुक जाइए, रुक जाइए, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी रुक जाइए. अगर आप आज कहते हैं न्यूज आवर में, यशवंत देशमुख स्माइल कर रहे हैं आज, अगर आप कहते that of course the Congress government must go because they don't have the numbers to pass a money bill. People would have argued with you, but said agreed with you.
हमेशा आता है जब सत्ता चली जाती है.
सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए. आज सवाल पॉलिटिकल है. चलिए पॉलिटिकल डिबेट करते हैं. जवाब नो सवाल पॉलिटिकल है. पॉलिटिकल लेट्स हैव अ पॉलिटिकल डिबेट. अंजान जी आप पॉलिटिशियन हैं.
You are destabilizing the Parliament and Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha by this act. I think you are posing a threat to parliamentary democracy. If the Parliament runs now after this Uttarakhand, there is no meaning of parliamentary democracy.
So no. 1 minute. You are saying on the news hour tonight that Parliament will not run because of Uttarakhand. Parliament will not run because of Arunachal.
No.
Parliament will not run because of because of the GST.
I want that the Parliament
will not run because of
how a government and a president rule can be. How a government can be.
You are saying you are threatening. No, Mr. Ranjan, you are threatening on the news hour tonight that the Parliament of India will stop functioning for the rest of the budget session because of what has happened in Uttarakhand.
The non-BJP government are being threatened. Now the Parliament must discuss what is the right and how the President rule will be imposed in the state and what is the guarantee of protecting the democratic tradition. That must be passed by the Parliament.
Have you finished your
point? It has to be discussed. Then the budget positions has to be discussed.
Watch. 1 minute.
It's a big threat.
I think Deshmukh was absolutely right when he said, are you copying Congress? Congress has so much to answer for during 1950 and 1980. But now the question is, or 1984, now the question is BJP going to follow the tradition which they condemned at that time as well as later by saying that we are different? Okay. We are nationals, patriots, Democrats, liberals, and everything that you are.
No, that's not the point.
Exactly.
That's not the point. Mr. Kumar Katkar, can I ask you a question?
Uttarakhand, what they have done, in Uttarakhand, what they have done is what they have always condemned. Mr. Deshmukh was right.
In Uttarakhand, whenever they are not in power, they fall apart.
Which you accuse
BJP
Congress
is not
of.
at all misusing. We never misuse, neither we are misusing.
Which you accuse Congress of.
Okay, can I come in, please, gentlemen? 1 second. Can I come into the debate? Can I come to the debate? Sudhanshu Trivedi, wait a minute. No, 1 minute. Atulanjan, आप रुकिए, अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आप मेरी बात सुनिए, उसके बाद आपको जरूर आने दूंगा डिबेट पे. आप 2 मिनट जरा प्रतीक्षा कीजिए. 1 मिनट, प्लीज. सवाल सुनिए. ये बताइए, यशवंत देशमुख, tell me, is it the job of Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Arun Jaitley, the whole BJP to make sure that the Congress stays together? Or is it Rahul Gandhi's job to make sure that the Congress stays together? You see, the Congress had been given 10 days to prove. Please, Atul Anjan ji, dekhiye aap this is anti-democratic. You are not letting me complete my point, and then you are talking about democracy.
You go.
Please understand, Mr. Let us. Mr. Sorry, Rahul Gandhi has to run his party, or Amit Shah has to run his party, right? Tomorrow will Rahul Gandhi take care of the BJP? No. Right? Similarly, please understand, the Congress had been given Yashwant Deshmukh 10 days to prove its numbers. The possibility of horse trading during that period could not be ruled out. Let us not forget that the Chief Minister Harish Rawat was taped in a sting operation that claimed, this was all a claim, alleged sting operation that claimed that he was seeking to lure rebels back to the party through unsavoring team.
They are famous in doctoring
through
tapes.
unsavory means. Would that sting have vitiated the floor test on the 28th of March? And more crucially, even if you now question the authenticity of the sting, it has been authenticated by the CFSL lab in Chandigarh. The sting, allegedly, these are news reports. The sting, the fact that your chief, the Congress party chief minister allegedly featured in it, and the fact that there is talk of luring back MLAs cast a cloud over the floor test on the March 28th. Now, in all of this, if you consider Ajay Alok and Yashwant Deshmukh come to the debate, do you expect Rahul Gandhi to take care of his party or Amit Shah to take care of his party? If the Congress is breaking apart, if the Congress can't manage its numbers,
I do expect
Ajay Alok, Ajay
I do
Alok.
expect that Rahul Gandhi should take part of his party.
Pardon me, okay, yeah, yes, Ajay and
It's very simple. I'll give you
Ajay and Yashwant.
one statement.
Yeah.
I'll give you answer in one statement.
Go on.
Both Rahul and Amit Shah and Sharad Yadav, president of my party, they are supposed to take care of their own party. There is no doubt about it. But हिंदी में कहावत है, आपकी विपत्ति हमारी संपत्ति है
जी
सारी कहानी उसी पे चल रही है. The similar episode happened with Jeetan Ram Manji. BJP tried to exploit it. This happens in politics, but please stop giving moral preachings. Why I am saying so? Because we have been with BJP for 17 years. We have shared power with them for 6 long years in the center. And this was always the concern of Vajpayee ji, Advani ji, that 356 must not be used. But look at this new BJP is using this. So please abolish Article 10 of the Constitution. The moral preaching will come down and to go back.
Yashwant.
To keep their flock together. No two opinion about it. Yeah, there is no two opinion about that. It's basically the failure of the Congress to keep their flock together. As I said, that technically Mr. Trivedi Sudhanshu might be correct. Legally, he might be correct. In fact, I don't agree with Anjanji's point on this. He's a very good dear friend. That probably even if they go to the court, they would find it really hard to prove the case against the BJP if the BJP has done legally anything wrong. But everything that is technically and legally correct may or may not be democratically correct as well. There are some certain democratic norms and on that. In fact, Arnab, my issue is that, I mean, beyond going...
It's
that
not
Rahul
legally, not technically correct.
Congress party
it's not legally correct, it's not technically correct.
Party. We don't really have to discuss that. Their number on the floor of the Lok Sabha is big enough evidence to prove that. My point is right now to Sudhanshu Trivedi ji that I am actually questioning the political wisdom of doing so. Simply because within a year you have to face the assembly election. A normal routine anti-incumbency which was being built up against Harish Rawat government, now that anti-incumbency sentiment will get converted into a sympathy factor for Harish Rawat and the Congress. Whether it was a prudent and politically prudent decision to do this kind of game and maneuvering right now 1 year prior to the election. Especially keeping in mind when the BJP's own house in Uttarakhand is quite in disarray big time as well in their internal problems as well. Let's not forget the point, Arnab, I am giving a one stat that BJP won 5 out of 5 Lok Sabha elections in 2014 and within couple of months when those sitting member of parliaments vacated their assembly seats and bypolls happened in those seats, which included the sitting seats of ex-chief ministers of the BJP. BJP lost those bypolls within couple of months of 2014, which means that Harish Rawat pulled through those bypolls in Uttarakhand.
You see,
now against that incumbency.
Okay, Yashwant, 1 minute. Yashwant, listen. Yashwant, listen. Technicality. Who cares technicality? Ajay Alok, I totally disagree with your technicality. मगर मैं technicality पे डिबेट ही नहीं करना चाहता. मैं political morality और ethics पे डिबेट करना चाहता हूँ. Technicality अगर देखे कोई तो
ये गलत है. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ ये गलत है.
मेरी बात सुनिए ना. अजय आलोक मेरी बात सुनिए. As per the constitution, मैं technical point of view पहले ले करूँ. As per the constitution as laid out in Article 110 and Article 198, which relates to states, a money bill and the state budget is a money bill can only be introduced in the lower house and only then it would need to be sent to the upper house for consent. You can't deny the existence of a constitutional crisis when the bare minimum criteria for the passage of a money bill was not met in the Uttarakhand assembly. But this issue is not at all technical. Sudhanshu Trivedi, politics पे आइए. पार्लियामेंट सेशन होने वाला है. सुनिए, नहीं वन सेकेंड. पार्लियामेंट सेशन होने वाला है. आपने एंटायर ऑपोजिशन को एलियनेट और एंटेगनाइज कर दिया. अब सारी ऑपोजिशन विल कम टुगेदर एंड से दैट यू आर सबवर्टिंग डेमोक्रेसी. यू हैव हैंडेड दिस इशू ऑन अ प्लेटर टू द ऑपोजिशन. The BJP.
Don't you understand? They are not interested in running the parliament at all.
You have allowed the Congress to play the victim card by imposing president's rule in the manner that you have in a second state. The Congress party will garner sympathy from the entire opposition. The entire opposition will come together and support them. Building bridges with the opposition is a distant dream. What is guiding you? आप 22 months back, you got 282 seats and came with a historic mandate because people voted for you. You form governments when people vote for you. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
And people did not vote Congress because they thought
whatever is coming out of your discussion,
people voted out Congress.
It's clear that you are accepting that on technical and legal ground the government is correct. Now the question is on the moral ground.
Congress.
Okay.
People voted
I want to ask on the moral ground. The question, why the question is asked to BJP?
You
we have not done anything.
Congress.
If the leaders of the Congress party, who are the ex-chief minister, Vijay Bahuguna, who is the son of the great Congress leader Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna, and Mr. Harak Singh Rawat, who was consistently leader of the opposition of the Congress party when they were in opposition. Such a senior leaders are coming out. How you are asking why BJP is doing this? Ask your own party. The same matter was in Arunachal Pradesh. Your senior most ministers were coming out and you are asking BJP to do this.
Sudhanshu, I am not asking these questions. You were asking these questions
and one more
for the last 50 years. You were asking these questions, not me. You were asking these questions and we as correspondents were reporting the questions.
जब आपने कहा lobby division कराइए, वो division कराइए, I want to remind the nation. In 2002 Gujarat riots, you have asked for lobby division. The riots were not a question on Rule 182. Our government went for vote division. And on when a clear-cut issue of finance survey, why you are not ready for why you are not ready for trial of his
No. आपने एक चुनी हुई सरकार पर आपने एक चुनी हुई सरकार पर राष्ट्रपति शासन थोप दिया और अब आप कह रहे हैं आप बेगुनाह हैं और इस वक्त नैतिकता की कोई चर्चा नहीं होनी चाहिए और आप सबसे बड़े नैतिकता के प्रतीक बने हुए हैं। ये नहीं चल सकता। This cannot be. No. This cannot be done. This cannot be accepted. No. How you can do it? No. You have killed somebody. No. You have killed somebody.
This is the same attitude of opposition.
No, what opposition? You have killed democracy. Now you killed somebody and now say that we... No. You killed somebody
whenever we were in opposition.
No. What do you think? If suppose... No. You could have said...
We faced the trial of his
The next question. The next question.
1998.
No. What trial of his friends? You could have said... Why is the ex-chief minister of Congress, ex-leader of opposition of Congress, they are backing, stabbing their own party. But Bharatiya Janata Party will not take up support.
You are not ready to face the floor of the House. I have given the example of 2000.
But you organized it. You organized it. You paraded
and we agreed for voting. Why you are not ready for voting?
Governor,
neither in Arunachal nor in Uttarakhand. I'm putting blame on BJP.
Ethical values you want to create. Just I want to say.
No, ma'am.
What do you say?
Atul Anjan, 1 minute. सुनिए मेरी बात अतुल अंजान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्राइसिस था कि नहीं बहुत नहीं अतुल अंजान मेरी बात सुनिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्राइसिस मेरा सवाल है उत्तराखंड में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्राइसिस था कि नहीं कोई मुझे ये बताए उत्तराखंड में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्राइसिस था कि नहीं मैं कहता हूं था
मैं आपसे
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्राइसिस था
नहीं एक सुनिए बात
नहीं आप मेरी बात सुनिए आप मेरी बात कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल क्राइसिस तो था
क्या कर रहा है नहीं somebody kills somebody and now you say because he's a juvenile so we will not give him any sort of punishment this is the happening in there एक आदमी हत्या करता है और कहते हो कि वो नाबालिग है इसलिए हम उसको हत्या के बारे में
वो सवाल नहीं है सुधांशु त्रिवेदी will respond अतुल अंजान please we'll get Ajay Alok on the other side Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond
ask our fellow opponent are they putting a question mark on the decision of the governor is not appointed by Bharatiya Janata Party. They are the appointee of the UPA. Then why you are asking that BJP is trying to misuse? It is the governor appointed by UPA.
No.
And still if he is doing this,
you have
definitely there are certain...
Why? You not only killed by one word. You have disobeyed the president. You have disobeyed the governor order. You have disobeyed the speaker order. And in the back of that, you brought precedent. And now you have imposed the thing. A new type of traditions you have imposed. A new type of tradition.
The constitutional aspect, the political aspect and the moral aspect. The string is the answer of moral aspect. The 9 MLAs coming out openly in favor of BJP is the political aspect. Falling of the finance bill is the constitutional aspect.
Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Governor never recommended President rule. Number 1. It is mentioned by your own former Chief Minister Bhuvan Singh Kunderi and Mr. Koshyari both. that the governor never recommended president rule. It was on the cabinet
कितनी बढ़िया बात कह रहे हैं. Governor never recommended president rule, but the president has signed on it. How ridiculous it is.
Yes, he never recommended.
Again, on the constitutional point, the governor has not recommended. How the president has accepted.
And Mr. Koshyari, president has accepted on the recommendation of the cabinet. Why don't you accept that? If you don't know, please go and have the information. Second thing, with very humble request. Now everybody is floating that the next state in the coming lot is Manipur.
Not ready to accept what the constitutional point is, what the legal point is, totally evading the political and moral point, but they are having some information.
When the emergency is going
some hidden sources, and they are considering it as a gospel truth, and even undermining the authority of the governor and the president.
हम लोग उसके लिए भी तैयार हो जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अभी तो आप चलिए, जो करना है कीजिए, समय आपका है. सैया भय कोतवाल अब डर काहे का. चलाते रहिए अपनी बंसुरी, बजाते रहिए अपनी नैया. हम लोग भी देखेंगे, देश भी देखेगा. जवाब आप ही को मिलेगा. अगर हिम्मत है, सस्पेंडेड एनिमेशन
अजय आलोक जी
में जाइए जनता के बीच में. जवाब आपको जनता ही देगी.
मैं आपकी पार्टी के सामने कोई बात नहीं कह सकता. कोई ऐसी पार्टी नहीं जिसके साथ पिछले 10 साल में आपकी पार्टी ने गठबंधन न किया हो.
आप चिंता मत कीजिए.
ये बताइए,
पार्टी की चिंता
कांग्रेस के साथ रहे, भाजपा के साथ रहे, लालू के साथ रहे, फिर लौट के लालू के साथ हो गए. इसलिए पॉलिटिकल मोरालिटी में कम से कम जनता दल यू स्पीच दे. जेडीयू इज हैविंग नो अथॉरिटी टू गिव अ sermon on political morality. When you have joined hands and dissed each and every political party.
You guys don't have any power within yourself. So
बताइए ना,
BJP is
पिछले 4 साल में 4 दल बदले कि नहीं?
In this country will contest.
भाजपा के साथ थे, फिर कांग्रेस के साथ हुए, फिर लालू के साथ हो गए.
4 साल में किसने 4 दल बदला? आप कहां गए थे? आप कहां गए थे? कांग्रेस के तले.
अर्नब, योर टॉपिक वाज.
अच्छा, एक सवाल है मेरा.
Forget about the jumping of the another MP. If there is an example of a political party jumping the wagon, the glaring example are Janata Dal, you and the Communist Party.
आपको तो 4 कंधे नहीं मिले.
बताइए, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टियों ने किसके साथ हाथ मिलाया?
नहीं मिलेंगे.
कांग्रेस से हाथ मिलाया है.
हम तो डूब के निकल गए.
सोशलिस्टों से हाथ मिलाया है, जिसके साथ देखिए उसके साथ हाथ मिलाया.
हम तो डूब के निकल गए.
अच्छा, वैसे मुझे पूछना नहीं चाहिए. वैसे मुझे पूछना नहीं चाहिए.
अवसरवाद की राजनीति के प्रतीक आज
सुनिए,
बात कर रहे हैं.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, वैसे मुझे पूछना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि सुनिए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, मेरी बात सुनिए.
ये भी बता दीजिए.
अरे भाई ठीक है, 1 सेकंड. नाउ लिसन टू मी.
देश में इमरजेंसी कब लगाएंगे?
आप सुनिए मेरी बात. वो इमरजेंसी की बात नहीं, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूं कि ऐसे सवाल पूछना नहीं चाहिए सुधांशु त्रिवेदी. ये ठीक बात नहीं है. कोई किसी जियोलॉजिस्ट को थोड़ी पूछता है कि भूकंप क्या होने वाला है. भूकंप हो सकता है, यह हमेशा हो सकता है, मगर भूकंप कहां होगा, कब होगा, ये कोई किसी को नहीं पूछता. मगर मैं आपको आज बड़ी ही सीरियसनेस से पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या मणिपुर और हिमाचल प्रदेश में भी भूकंप आने वाला है? अफवाह चल रही है आज.
अर्नव,
अरे देश में आने वाला.
अर्नव, आप किससे हाथ नहीं मिलाते? आप टीडीपी से हाथ मिला सकते हैं, तो आपने इंतहा.
अच्छा, जवाब देने दे.
आप एमआईएम से हाथ मिला रहे हैं, टीडीपी से हाथ मिला रहे हैं,
मैंने जो सवाल
ओवैसी से हाथ मिला रहे हैं, महबूबा से हाथ मिला रहे हैं. आप सबके महबूब.
सवाल मैंने सुधांशु त्रिवेदी को पूछा, समय कम है.
घूम रहे हैं.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जवाब दे.
बीजेपी, मोदी जी सबके महबूब बने घूम रहे हैं.
1 सेकंड
हाथ मिला रहे हैं.
सुधांशु,
ओवैसी से हाथ मिला रहे हैं.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी
हाथ मिला रही है महबूबा मुफ्ती से.
आपने बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ भूकंप.
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. That if the bhukam is coming, or earthquake is coming, can it be predicted? Of course, it is very difficult and almost impossible to predict. But the only way in which you can have an assumption nearing to the reality is the previous track record of the earthquakes in that particular region. And I have given you the track record of the 50 years. In 67, Congress lost power, and they have lost so many states. They faced rebellion.
Okay,
in 1977, they lost power. So many states they faced rebellion. In 19, they lost the power. So many. So the track record of the history of the earthquake signifies something which I would not like to elaborate.
I think that's,
those who are intelligent enough,
that's worryingly indicative. That's worryingly indicative. That's worryingly indicative. Gentlemen,
accept कर लीजिए कि हम कांग्रेस के पिछलग्गू बन गए.
1 minute, please. 1 second. We'll take this debate forward. I thank you all very much. I thank you all very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.